This is taped here. Is this the
Oh, now I can show you. This is, once again, we're very organic thinking. So if I have any bug troubles, and you can barely see it, but there's little tunnels around here. So if a bug lays eggs there, I just I watch it very closely, and wherever I see that, I just seal it. And then, theoretically, a lot of times that blocks the air sufficiently that they just die, the larvae. But if they don't just die, they've got, yeah, you get a few. They're usually fungus gnats. There's fungus gnats and there's fungus beetles. There's a lot of insects that are evolved that they eat mushrooms. And of course, being in a mushroom growing area in the woods here, they're right outside our doors. So a few of them inevitably will get in. Now I have screens on my exhaust fans there, but a few of them will sneak around or come in through the door when we come and go. So that is a ongoing struggle.
Right.
But you control them and you watch, and if they get going a little, you just tape and you just make sure that they're not breeding and getting the numbers up badly. A few are not a problem. But, I've seen facilities where they're just everywhere and way too many bugs, and they do a lot of damage. So you do have to control it. And we don't use any chemicals, so it's really a matter of just looking very closely. You develop a good eye to spot them. I know you probably couldn't hardly see anything was going on there, but if you do this for 20 years, you would know. Right. It's like, oh, there's trouble.
And how many times can you grow from one?
Usually, it depends on the strain. Usually the browns, I don't know, are there any browns coming out right now? I didn't really see any along there. It's almost all those baby blues. Now you can tell why I call them my summertime blues. Yeah, there's really no browns out right now, but the brown columns you can tell because they're a little more lightly run, but they tend to just fruit 2 flushes and then I'm done with them.
Oh.
Sometimes in summertime I can get a good 3rd flush out of them. These guys I can often get 5 good flushes, so they'll just keep producing more clusters if I just take care of them and keep the bugs away.
Okay.
Or keep the bugs from getting to all the holes at least. As you can see, I go through here periodically and tape off any that do get some bugs going. And it's just a matter of